we're back in the whip, man. We're actually trying to leave this car, this meet right now. I gotta switch hands real quick. See if we can get the fuck out of here, bro. It's gonna be hard as hell. Just poke out so they can see me. I'll let you go. Someone let me through, boy. All right, I'm going after this Cadillac. I don't care. Let me through, Beamer. Appreciate you, homie. Tesla. We going through here because this is where everybody else is exiting through, so could probably have some fun on our way out. We're gonna take the freeway. We're gonna take the freeway and cruise through Cinco Ranch. But yeah, no, this shit was kind of fun, bro. Look, there's people up there over there on the fucking hill next to the freeway, bro. That shit crazy. Let's go, let's get it. Let's get shiesty. Time to get shiesty? I think yes. Come on now. We gonna get shiesty in this bitch. Come on. Anybody coming? Are y'all turning? Come on. Come on now. Sorry, we're gonna be supercharged one day. We'll be supercharged one day. It ain't shit now, but one day it will be. And that's all that matters, all right? It takes time, nigga. Shit takes time. Shit takes time, boy. Shit takes time. We're gonna be all right, though. But yeah, it was a cool little car meet. We went to a car meet last night, bruh. And I was gonna go to a second one. We did get a couple clips, so I might throw those clips from last night in here somewhere. Probably like just towards the end. So if it switches from like day to night, don't be confused, all right? Hopefully you watch the rest of the video, but yeah. That's what's been going on. I was gonna go to the second meet last night, but my ass started feeling a little nauseous, so I was like, fuck that, I'm gonna go home. And even on the drive back home, bro, that shit was a struggle. So I was like, yeah, no, we're just gonna go home. We'll pop out in the morning, see if there's anything going on. There was one car meet I was supposed to go to, but I pressed in the wrong address, bruh. And by the time I got there, I think that shit was already over. So I was like, fuck it. I'm just gonna cruise around, bruh. And I get back over to Cinco Ranch, and I see all these cars just leaving and shit. I see people piled up by the hills and shit, like just taking videos, waiting for niggas to leave. And I'm like, oh shit, okay, so like bet, like let me pull up. But yeah, so that's what we just popped out at. I think the host was the Car Culture. So shout out to them. I think they're on Instagram. I'm pretty sure I follow them too. I'm gonna be posting that stuff on my pages. I'll probably post some of the clips and stuff that you'll probably see here in the videos. But yeah, no, that shit was kind of fun, bro. And then again, of course, next Saturday, we have the new Burble tune coming in. So y'all stay tuned for that. That's really exciting. Can't wait for that. But yeah, I'm gonna see if there's a way I could put music in the fucking videos, bro. Cause like I would hate to like upload all those car clips, just dry bone stock audio. You feel me? Like some of them they're revving, so I'll include like the revving clips, like probably towards the end. But I want to see if there's a way I can put music in my videos, bro. Cause that would be nice. Like it doesn't got to be like nothing crazy. Like maybe just like a little tune or some shit, bro. Just while like the clips are rolling through. But yeah, we'll see, man. I mean, I'm still trying to put this shit together. I'm fucking recording off my iPhone, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, eventually I would like to get a GoPro and stuff like that. And then, of course, like, you know, start vlogging and shit. But yeah, we'll get into that, bro. We'll get into that. Right now, I'm trying to build up on TikTok, too. So if y'all can fuck with my TikTok, that would be cool as hell. Just like, repost, message me, bro. Leave a comment, whatever, bro. I'm open to any comments. Bad or good, bro. Usually I leave a pretty good response to the negative ones anyway. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? We all on a hustle, bro. We all gonna get somewhere someday. But yeah, so we're getting pretty close back to home. So I think I'm gonna close out this video. Wasn't too big, just something short. But yeah, we'll see y'all next week for sure, unless I pop up to another car meet, make a video on that. We'll see y'all next week for that Burble tune. I cannot wait to make that video. So hopefully, bro, I'm excited. Hopefully we get that done. And yeah, we'll see y'all then. Y'all stay safe, boys. Later.
Yeah, bitch so bad I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot. Girl, you too bad for me not to press you, yeah. Young fly nigga, I don't follow all these rules, yeah. Bitch, I'm making tunes, I ain't missing, I won't lose. Let's go to an island where the water around is blue. I got two bad bitches in the coupe. 42 in the bottle, glasses on full too. Ain't no games, I ain't playing, I want you, yeah. Take a trip, let's go shopping, I got blues, yeah. We got options, you can choose. Yeah, you want it, I can buy it, ain't no rules, yeah. I'm just saying, let me help you upgrade you, yeah. Fuck that nigga, he don't care about you, yeah. Girl, move on. He can't treat you like I do, my money too long. I got homies for your friends and we can group on. We are early, hit our shot like Curry. Bitch, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot, yeah. What's the move with you? Where you move it? I'm sticking like some glue with you. Got you doing all the things he never do with you. Got the smile and the vibe is something new with you. We could take a jet back, I done set back. Counting cash in the bumblebee, a yellow drop vid. I've been doing a lot of shit that they never tried yet. Have your ice real frozen, you might get frostbit, yeah. I just wanna do the dash. I'ma always put you first, never put you last. Way you shake that ass make me wanna throw some cash. Girl, you way too bad, throw that nigga in the trash. You know I'm gon' shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends.